Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, The Always Improving Garage. Got an update on my Icon toolbox. A lot has changed since the first video that I posted. So in the socket drawer, I used to have my ratchets over here. No longer doing that because it's just not a good use of space. So here we have the 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/2 inch drive back here. The wrench drawer, I only have metric wrenches in it right now. Standard wrenches are in a different box. So we got the Capri thin wrenches, regular combination wrenches, these are the Tecton angle head wrenches, 30° on one side, 60 on the other. This one's for bleeding brakes. Got the Icon ratcheting reversible set. Snap-on flank drive. Wrench extender. These are also snap-on flank drive. 21, 22, and 24. Line wrenches here. These are Williams. Gear wrench. Ratcheting flex head stubbies. Icon stubbies. These are the longer Icon ratcheting on one side, fixed in on the other side. And these are the long Icon wrenches as well, with the flex head, ratcheting, and reversible. Screwdrivers. Also got Torx drivers. Icon mini screwdriver set. And gear wrench long screwdrivers back here. These are just some of my pliers. Got a bunch more in another toolbox. So in the front here, these are kind of like the pliers that have cutters on them. It's got that style in the front. Ton of vice grips. The painter's tape is just to hold them from opening up. Here we got some pry bars, air hammer, fan clutch tool, oxygen sensor, wrench set, needle scaler. This drawer has the tap and die set, thread chasers, extractors, etc. Set here's from Matco. And in the bottom drawer, don't have a whole lot in here right now. Been doing a lot of reorganizing lately. Just got a harmonic balancer puller, some breaker bars, chain strap wrench, I think they call it, regular strap wrench, ball joint press, bearing and race, seal driver set, puller back there, this set's from VIM. Got the hex sockets, Torx, E-Torx. We got Torx Plus, triple squares. So Sunex bit set. This set here is for lug nuts that are quote unquote half size, like 21.5 millimeters for swollen lug nuts. This is stuff for removing hoses, hose picks, spring clamps, etc. Picks. This tool is for removing the quote-unquote Jesus clips. This is your punches, chisels, scrapers, files. Drawer's a mess, but it is what it is. Trim tools. A couple hammers here. Got a bunch more in another toolbox. This drawer is kind of a catch-all. Got the fuel line disconnects, serpentine belt remover, stretch belts, fuel tank lock ring remover. These are for removing inner tie rods. Got the big one and the smaller one here. It's got a couple tools for brakes in here. Got a bunch more in one of the other toolboxes. This is for the turnstile rear calipers. And I got the hydraulic flaring tool here. Really like that one. This drawer, I really like how this one turned out. This is now my Ratchet drawer. And it only has 1/4 inch drive and 3/8 drive ratchets in here because the 1/2 inch drive ones just don't all fit. They're just too big. And then below it, just like with the ratchets, these extensions are only 1/4 inch drive and 3/8 drive. 1/2 inch drive is in a different toolbox right now. Okay. And this drawer has the built-in power strip. Don't currently have the battery charger in there right now because I've been moving things around recently. So I got my impact driver here, the locking extensions for the impact driver, and a couple of the lights in here. And the power drawer, these are all Milwaukee fuel brushless. Got the 1/2 inch drive mid torque, which is actually quite a bit of torque. 3/8 drive, again, mid torque, also very powerful. 3/8 drive stubby, 3/8 ratchet, and drill. All right, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, thanks for watching.